Go, start. Quick video here of the Maxco cart. This is a unit plugged in. A little overview, graphic panels. When you get the unit, plug it in overnight. It is preset for 27 degrees. Is it intended that cold soda will be put into this unit and you're ready to go? If you use room temperature sodas, then you're probably 24 hours, 18 to 24 hours to bring those down to temperature. There's not a blower in this unit. So we're set for 27 degrees. Load it with at least cool soda at night before, and you should be good to go for 8 hours without electricity the next day. Here's the handle. Note the flashing lights. The unit is plugged in. It will not move. We unplug the unit, it will move. The lights are no longer flashing. And the lid lock bar folds over. The lids have to be in that orientation for the lock bar to go on. The lids are square, opening is square, so you can rotate them like that for service. Might be easier, not reaching all the way to the back. But they're square. To set the temperature control, you press the set key. It displays the preset temperature. You arrow key up to make it warmer. And then you're going to hit the set key again to lock it in. So you now set it for 34 degrees. To make it lower, set key and hold. Arrow key down to lower it. If I'm running this continuously plugged in, I'm going to have the temperature set around 28 or 29. For an overnight charge, the anticipated use is that this will be plugged in overnight, run with no power during the day. We set these for 27 degrees. This is the off-on switch for the compressor only. That only turns off the compressor. You still have live voltage going into the unit to activate the charger for the Maxco power unit. As long as you're plugged in, the power unit will not move. You do have live electricity behind this panel, even though you've turned it off. There's also access through this panel to clean a filter. Going to remove the cover here, a couple of screws. Again, you'd like to have the unit unplugged when you remove this cover. So there's the screen to clean everything. That will accumulate. And there's the power cord from the Maxco power unit that is plugged in live all the time when that unit is plugged in. Our black power cord is plugged in. Access to service the compressors or the refrigeration hardware is behind this panel. We're going to remove the two corner pieces that hold the graphics in place. Phillips head screwdriver. When you get the corner pieces out of your way, the cord wrap there, just lift that cord wrap up and the graphics will come out. They're attached to an aluminum panel, and there's your refrigeration, your compressor and the fan motors. So whatever you need for servicing, fan motors is behind that panel right there. The connection to the Maxco unit. There's the power cord from the Maxco unit. Note, we've got spiral wrap around the power cord to keep it protected. We've got clips, solid clips to keep it in that trough. Don't want a dangling wire down below. And then it's up into the electrical area and plugged in. There's the Maxco cord. We've taken the plug off and we've rerouted it from the opposite side through there and spiral wrapping the cord all the way to keep it protected. So when you separate the units, don't forget to unplug that power cord.